Motorola just dropped a new budget-friendly phone, the Moto G06, and it's making waves in the entry-level smartphone market. But is it really worth your money in 2025? Let's break it down. The Moto G06 is all about value. Motorola is targeting people who want a reliable daily driver without spending a fortune. If you're looking for a solid phone on a budget, this one's gonna catch your eye. First up, the display. You're getting a 6.6-inch HD Plus screen with a smooth 90 Hz refresh rate. For this price point, that's impressive. Under the hood, it's powered by a MediaTek Helio G85 chipset, paired with up to 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, perfect for casual gaming, social media, and streaming. Battery? A massive 5,000 microamp hours with 15-watt fast charging, so you'll easily get through a full day, maybe even two. On the camera side, Motorola gives you a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 2-megapixel depth camera, and an 8-megapixel selfie shooter, decent for quick snaps and social posts. And yes, it comes with Android 15 Go Edition, so the software is light, clean, and optimized for smooth performance. So who's the Moto G06 for? Honestly, it's perfect if you're on a tight budget, want a reliable backup phone, or need something simple for daily use. At under $150, it's hard to beat what Motorola is offering here. What do you guys think? Would you buy the Moto G06 in 2025, or would you save up for something more powerful? Drop your thoughts below, hit that like button, and subscribe for more quick tech updates.